Alright, welcome back to Panick Custom Shop. Today we have a video coming to you from the kitchen table because we are beginning to get the effects of Hurricane Idalia here in middle Georgia, and it's raining outside pretty hard, and I'm not stomping through the rain to go out to my shop and record this. Big shout out to FedEx. They delivered this thing through the rain. Heard a knocking at the door. Delivery driver parked at the top of our driveway, carried this thing down by hand, dropped it off at the front door. That's service. Good job, FedEx. UPS, take notes. Anyway, today we have another package from our good friends at Ace Product Group. Ace Musical Products are the fine folks that sent us the Reunion Blues Voyager bass case. They've been a great contributor to the Showcase Bass project, and today they have sent us one of their Reunion Blues Multi-Guitar Stands. One of the things that we'll be doing, and another little extra here, one of the things we'll be doing coming up soon is we're going to be going out to different festivals and music events and such here around the middle Georgia area with the Showcase Bass version 1, version 2, and hopefully a Showcase kit bass. And we needed something good and reliable that we could use to display these guitars when we go to these different places. So Reunion Blues has sent us one of their multi-guitar stands. Holds 5 guitars. We'll actually do another video at a later date. We'll get this thing out, get it set up, show you how it looks, how it works. And something else they sent us, one of their Pig Hog instrument cables. This is another company that falls under the Ace Product Group banner. I'll put a link in the description for Ace Product Group with a listing of all their different products that they represent. Reunion Blues and Pig Hog being a couple of the several that they represent. But anyway, I just want to give you guys a quick look at what we got in. Again, we'll get it all set up and get some guitars on it and let you see how it looks, and we'll do a little test with the instrument cable once the storm passes and everything settles down a little bit. Anyway, be sure to like and subscribe. Ring the bell for updates. Check out Panick Inc. Our website, panickinkcustom.shop. Or check us out on Facebook, our various social media channels. Go to the merch shop. Get yourself a t-shirt. Get yourself some stickers or a hoodie or a hat or a mini skirt or any of the different products we have. And be sure to go check out Ace Product Group, Pig Hog, and Reunion Blues. Thank you for tuning in. We'll catch you guys on the next one.